No, go ahead.
Ray O'Neill. How exciting are these UGA days and being at meeting people out?
I like being with the with our fans. You know, they mostly come to see us. They mostly come to support us, and I think it's great for us to get around the state of Georgia and the Southeast and you know, go see our fans and tell them thanks. Is it
kind of nice when you have Coach Fox, Coach Strickland, they can sort of take some of the heat sometimes if you want them to take it from the fans?
Well, I've always enjoyed interacting with the fans. You know, I love the passion of them, and I just as soon start out with a Q&A from the fans. You know, I want to be able to talk to them about what they want to talk about. I mean, Chuck's got a couple good ideas every once in a while, but for the most part, he's a pretty boring guy.
Is that sort of what these things sort of turn into? It's more of you can sort of a little bit let your guard down and actually tell them some things that they may not have heard from the media?
Well, I mean, obviously anything you say here can and will be used against you. So, you know, it's not like it used to be.
Right.
I mean, you used to have these clubs and you could tell some secrets. But, you know, you have to guard everything you say now. But the bottom line is, you know, usually you can answer pretty directly what everybody wants to know, and every once in a while there's a question you just can't answer and you just got to tell them.
Is this tonight, is this the bell ringing in SEC Media Days? Is this the bell ringing?
For me, it's the 4th of July. After that 4th of July, no matter where I am or what I'm doing, I just can't help but focus on the season and everything that's got to be done and just get excited about it. For me, it's the 4th of July. That's what kind of flips the switch.
Coach, how has this offseason been for you personally? Have you been able to relax a little bit?
Well, you know, my wife and I had a chance to spend a little bit of time together in Florida on the beach, which was nice. But we cut our vacation a little short to make sure we were home in time for the arrival of our first grandchild, who did come. Jaden Elise Richt, our granddaughter, came, and she's healthy, and we're thankful.
Good. All right.
Good.